fish right here for feeding, where they consume on fish, shrimp in the ocean. Yeah. Right. No one eat. Okay. No one eat this horseshoe crab because there's no flesh, no meat inside. So what people eat is the caviar and the egg inside. So when it comes to mating season, right? When it comes to mating season, fish, female we have full of egg inside. So people who sell female horseshoe to have the caviar. Male? No, don't ever try. It'll give you high, but it's good for some people. Yeah. Take photo. Take photo. And if you wonder why they are here, yeah, if you wonder why the horseshoe crab was here, they start on fisherman net. Yeah, these creatures start on fisherman net, so fishermen send them here to recover. Of the tail. Swim? No, they use this paddle. Yeah, small paddle here. Okay? Protect themselves, defend. Then steer? No.
Attack.
What? Hunt? No. Right, function of the tail is to carry Wi-Fi in our ocean. Our big ship, the yacht, cruise ship, they need internet in our ocean. So this guy will carry the internet. See, it's like Wi-Fi router. Alright, kidding. Alright, function of the tail is to flip their body. Yeah, let's say they go to the shore, wave, water push them upside down. They cannot seek for help. They cannot call 911, 999, whatever. So what they do, the tail will twist their body back to position. Yeah, easy. Then you can continue walking. Right? Anyone else before I put it back? Strong shell, yeah. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab. Or in bahasa we call belangkas. And
Here we are, and there we go. We are starting our challenge to the geopark. We are gonna get to the swamps. I did it 6 years ago, first time. I want to rediscover it again after time. That was back in 2017. Alright. Capito. Here we are. So we are gonna reverse, okay. Okay, let's reverse. Return. Okay, this is just the warm-up. Alright. This is our two leader guy. Okay, let's cross here. Alright. So this is the entrance to the mangrove path. Slowly to avoid it to get stuck. Okay, not a good one.
slowly go between these fallen trees.
I need to lie down to smoothly.
One by one, yeah?
I thought I will use some creativity.
Oh, reverse? You stuck on the.
Oh. Hey. Okay. I'm going by myself. Okay, let's try to remember what the trail is. Okay, let's wait for the others. So we are slowly continuing. Our leader is 2 hops back, and this maybe was the spot where we were jumping off, but I'm not sure. Alright, slowly. Leader, where are you? Okay. The leader doesn't want to come in front. All right. He wanna make me as a leader. Aha. Hey. Is this the area where piranha are?
Piranha? Ah, be careful.
In this zone, the piranha.
No, we don't have.
There are there are not. And I guess we already passed the jumping spot for swimming.
Wait, there's a wood right in front blocking.
Yeah.
Let me.
Yeah, go first. Go first.
Slow down, slow down.
Go first. Oh, sorry. Peta. Okay, no. Oh, piece of wood. Shit. Oh man. I'm gonna. Okay, and try to stay aside over there. If okay, just take over me. Okay, take over.
Okay.
All right. See you soon. Okay, we are just over a narrow trail, but still again that is kind of narrow. No paddling, just let it go smoothly with some correction. Oh, no, not the best correction. I could do better, but okay. Let's use some creativity. I need to be careful about the roots. Okay, they can be spiky. Okay. All right. Not too fast.
Everyone okay?
Yes. Let's go. All right, I did it. Gotcha. All right. It's oh. Alright, man. Just standing. Okay, now I changed the settings from cinematic to activity mode and see what the difference is. There is a difference as frame per second, and it's 4K instead of 5.3. Come on, Giuseppe. Strange. Still, we haven't seen any monkey. But soon we will see some, maybe. Or maybe they are somewhere else now, the monkeys. Okay.
And they stay behind.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. I feel a discomfort on my left biceps. Or triceps actually. It's still from when I went to the gym in Cambodia. I trained my triceps, and still some small discomfort is showing. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and today is 30th of December. The second last day of 2023. Oh, actually, I realized that we have to enter one more channel. We have to kayak to one more channel to arrive at the final destination where the Eagle Bay is. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Forza, forza! All right. There you go.
There is exit to open water. Exit to open water was straight up.
Oh, sorry. My mistake.
Yeah. You need to start it. Nice. So right here, maybe some of you already received text from Thailand welcoming you. Because the border not even 1 kilometer. Border not even 1 kilometer.
I remember they told me this thing. The border not even 1 kilometer.
Where some people curious why we receive text from Thailand.
Yeah.
But I also got it from Switzerland.
Ah.
Oh, really?
You are close, right? Your country.
Yeah.
Right. Come over here. Okay.
Here we have
Mommy.
the leaf.
Yep.
See this?
Good. And this for daddy and daughter. Uh-oh. You ready? Okay, one. Okay. Play between the root. On the first channel, I think you see a lot of baby fish, shrimp, play close to the root. Yeah? But jumping on water. So.
Female viper.
Female viper. Yeah. How big is the size? Look.
Wow.
Oh, nice. I want to take photo of this.
Female viper.
Female viper.
And we are finally at the eagle area. Let's see if I see any around. One over there. Eagles.
Right now windy. When it's windy, eagle like to fly over the tree, over the hill, looking for their own food. Okay, over the tree.
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right. And finally we are arriving at the base camp. Or actually the fishing village. Fishing floating village. There we are. There we go. Alright, my ass is burning. Oh, it's windy now. How come this? Alright. Alright. And we are done. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.